Chapter 4 Water Learning Objective Uses of water, Sources of water, Storing of water, Condensation, Evaporation of water. Uses of water. All living things need water to survive. We need water for drinking, bathing, washing, cooking, and for many other activities. Plants need water to live and grow. Animals also need water to drink and bath. About 3/4 of our planet Earth is covered with water. Therefore, Earth is also known as Blue Planet. Most of the water on the Earth is present in the seas and oceans, which is salty. Some part of water is frozen in the form of ice or snow. Only 1% of Earth's water is fresh and drinking water, which is available in rivers, lakes, and wells. Sources of water. Let us study about various sources of water. Rain. Rain is the main source of water on Earth. It fills rivers, lakes, and ponds during the monsoon season. Some rainwater seeps into the ground and fills well and raises groundwater level. Teacher's notes. Tell the students about water and its various sources. Also, tell them about the things in which we use water. Encourage them to save water and use it efficiently. Let me answer. How the cloud formation takes place. Underground water. The rainwater that steps into the ground gets collected as underground water. This water is safe and clean for drinking. Wells, hand pumps, and tube wells are used to take out underground water. Sometimes underground water appears on the surface in the form of springs. Lakes and ponds. A large area of water surrounded by land is called a lake. An area of water smaller than a lake is called a pond. A pond may be natural or man-made. Rivers. The rivers which get their water from rain are called rain-fed rivers. They do not flow throughout the year. They dry up during the summer season but have plenty of water in the rainy season. For example, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Narmada, and Mahanadi River. The rivers which get water from the melting ice and snow from the high mountains are called snow-fed rivers. They do not dry up in any season. For example, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra River. Oceans and seas. An ocean is a huge body of water. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Antarctic. A sea is also a large water body but smaller than an ocean. There are many seas in the world. The water present in the sea and ocean is salty and not fit for drinking. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. Storing of water. Though rain is the major source of water, but it does not rain throughout the year. So, we need to store and conserve water. This is done by building dams, canals, and reservoirs. Dam. A dam is a wall built across a river to hold back or block the flow of river water. This water is stored and used to generate electricity, irrigate fields, and even for domestic purposes. Canal. A canal is a channel of water originating from a river, and it is used to irrigate the fields. Reservoir. A reservoir is an artificial or man-made lake built behind a dam to store the blocked water of the river. Later, this stored water is used for various activities. Condensation. When water vapor cools down, it changes back into drops of water. This process is called condensation. Have you even observed drops of water on the surface of glass filled with cold drink? These drops are actually condensed water vapors. The process of evaporation and condensation are two very important factors which maintain the balance of water on the earth. They regulate the water cycle or rain cycle. They cause the continuous movement of water from water bodies to air and then back to water bodies. Water is a very precious natural resource. We must use water judiciously and prevent its wastage. Evaporation of water. There is a large amount of water found in the air in the form of water vapor. When water gets heated, it changes into steam or water vapor and goes into the air. This change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. There are many conditions in which the water evaporates faster. For example, 1. Water evaporates faster when it is left in open. 2. Water evaporates faster when the air is dry. You must have seen that clothes take a long time to dry in the monsoon season because the air is full of moisture. In summer seasons, the air is dry, so clothes dry quickly. The evaporation becomes faster on sunny days. 3. Water evaporates faster when the surface is large. The water evaporates faster when it is spread on a large area. Therefore, we spread our clothes to dry them. If not spread properly, they will take longer time to dry. In forbits, plants give off water vapor through tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. This is called transpiration. Let me answer. Name the source that contains the maximum amount of water but we cannot use it. Can you tell? 4. Water evaporates faster when it is windy. Pour water into 2 small containers. Keep one under the moving fan and the other in a room with no wind. We will see that water evaporates faster under the fan. The water evaporates faster because wind helps in fast evaporation. So, your mother keeps wet clothes under the fan during rainy days. 5. Water evaporates faster in high temperature. High temperature makes the air hot and helps in faster evaporation of water. Summary. All living things need water to survive. The different sources of water are rain, lakes, ponds, rivers, seas and oceans. Water is stored in dams, canals and reservoirs. Evaporation and condensation are the 2 processes by which water changes its form. Water evaporates faster when it is left in open. Water evaporates faster in high temperature. Exercise. A. Take the correct option. A. Which is the main source of water? River, lake, rain. Answer. Rain. B. Underground water can be taken out by well, tube well, both. Answer. Both. C. Which is a channel of water originating from a river? Dam, canal, reservoir. Answer. Canal. D. Earth is also known as the blue planet, green planet, red planet. Answer. Blue planet. B. Fill in the blanks. A. All living things need dash to survive. Answer. Water. B. Water dash faster when it is left in open. Answer. Evaporates. C. Water evaporates faster in high dash. Answer. Temperature. D. Earth is known as dash. Answer. Blue planet. E. Rain is the main source of water on dash. Answer. Earth. C. Right, true or false? A. Sea and ocean water is salty. Answer. True. B. Atlantic Ocean is the biggest ocean. Answer. False. C. There are 6 oceans in the world. Answer. False. D. Dam is the main source of water on earth. Answer. False. E. Animals also need water to drink and bath. Answer. True. E. Answer the following questions. A. What are the different sources of water? Answer. The different sources of water are rain, underground water, lakes, ponds and rivers. B. What is the difference between a lake and a pond? Answer. A large area of water surrounded by land is called lakes. An area of water smaller than a lake is called ponds. C. What is an ocean? Answer. An ocean is a huge body of water. D. What is evaporation? Answer. The change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. E. What is condensation? Answer. The process of cooling down of water vapor into drops of water is called condensation. A. Make posters like this. Save water, it is precious.